Yes, Prashant, please go ahead.
Am I audible now?
Yes, you are. Absolutely.
Okay. I did your course, I think 4 or 6 months before.
Yes.
Uh, I just started secondary business of forest trading. Some days before, I put some imaginations that this is my level. When market comes, I will trade. This is my level, and when market comes there, I will trade. Midnight at 4:30, I woke up uh, early, too early, and I was doing my meditation. I was doing my meditation. In between meditation, some reminder comes. Market is at your level. Do trade. So I wind up my and open my laptop and see, oh, market actually there, and I trade my level, and I get profit. Okay. Second thing from your Silva method, what I did, my levels uh, don't play very uh, good results to me. My stop loss 100 multiple times. So I projected myself to US. There is a smart money where the smart money play their games. I put my thumb on their door. The door, you have full access to this room. And then I enter, and right side, I see the gold supercomputer. And the supercomputer, the partitions all the wooden partition there. And there is a meter.
Okay.
My intuitions level and the supercomputer's intuitions level will match. They show yes, you are up to date, and the emoji comes. Hi Prashant, sending with thumbs up. I ask him, give me today's levels, where you are going to play.
Correct.
Smart this game. Uh, and the emoji game showing me thumbs. Okay, I just imagination. I come out, I project myself to my bedroom, and enough. And from when I did this multiple times, actually I catch gold moves in 15 pips.
Hmm.
15 pips, and my take profit will be 100 pips. 100. So 1 has to 10, yeah, 1 has to 15 ratio, I can catch the
That's
gold.
amazing. That's amazing. That's
This
amazing.
is from Silva Method. This is a
Absolutely.
gift from Silva Method to me. Thank you very
Absolutely.
much.
It's
Just
it's it's a
share.
gift for all of us, and we should be using it. Thank you, Prashant, for sharing your story.
Thank
And
you.
I can relate to it. When you were saying that you woke up at 4:30, I can relate to it. I told in the class that I also am in the financial investments. I do stock
Okay.
trading as well in the options. So I know this, how it feels. And
Yeah.
I was explaining in such a way that Silver Method has helped me to stop taking the bad decisions. We know one bad decision it takes to wipe up
Yes.
everything, correct?
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Everything, like everything for years that you have stored, it takes one bad decision to wipe out everything. So
Yes.
going forward, what I have understood is Silva will guide you in a way that you will not
Yes.
get distracted if you have
Yes.
the attention, correct?
Yes.
You're
Yes.
going wonderful, Prashant. Kudos to you.
Thank you.
And keep
Thank
getting
you.
success, man. Thank you so much for
Thank you.
sharing your
Thank you.
story.
Thank you.
Thank you.